तीसरा सर, 2004 में सोरोस यहाँ आया, 2009 में सोरोस यहाँ आया। उसने बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में 5% स्टेक लिया। 2010 से लेके 2014 तक पूरा शेयर मार्केट से सोरोस पैसा लेता रहा। वो गांधी फैमिली से मिला। सोरोस और गांधी फैमिली का संबंध क्या है? मेरा चौथा सवाल सर, राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन को सबसे ज्यादा पैसा सोरोस ने दिया। सोरोस जो है मनोज भार्गव, हंस फाउंडेशन और रॉकफेलर फाउंडेशन और किंगन फंड्स के साथ ब्लैक मनी को व्हाइट मनी कर रहा है। राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन के साथ सोरोस का रिश्ता क्या है? मनोज भार्गव के साथ राहुल गांधी फाउंडेशन का रिश्ता क्या है? हंस फाउंडेशन के साथ राहुल गांधी का रिश्ता क्या है? सोनिया गांधी का रिश्ता क्या है? सर, मेरा पांचवा सवाल सर, कि सोरोस ने फॉरेन वर्ड्स, फ्रेश वर्क, सॉग फंड, एस्पेडा फंड, इस तरह के फंड बनाए। वो सारे कांग्रेस के 300 लोगों को, कांग्रेस पार्टी के 300 लोगों को उसने जो है स्टार्टअप के नाम पर पैसा दिया है। ये 300 लोग कौन है और गांधी परिवार के साथ उनका क्या संबंध है? मेरा चौथा पांचवा प्रश्न है सर, कि भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में सलील शेट्टी गया था। भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में कांग्रेस ने कितना पैसा खर्चा किया और सोरोस फाउंडेशन
सभा
ने
की कार्रवाई 1 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
बैच को दर्शाने वाला विवरण अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
धन्यवाद। शून्यकाल। सुश्री ज्योति मणि जी।
Sir, mic.
Mic will be automatically on when we will start speaking.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Our farmers, who are the spine of the nation, are protesting at Shambu and Kaneri with a vow to fulfill their demands. This is not just a struggle of farmers, it's a struggle for India's soul. Their demands are simple: a legal guarantee for a minimum support price, loan waiver, pension for farmers, and justice for victims of the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. All these were already promised by the union government but yet to be fulfilled and totally forgotten. Dalewalji is fasting unto death to thirst more on this. His health is seriously deteriorating and farmers are facing brutality and oppression while they exercise their fundamental right to protest, since the government has turned a blind eye to their demands for years now. Report shows that several farmers are injured as a result of police brutality, tear gas shells and water cannons. This is what our farmers are being treated with. I call upon the union government to immediately halt the brutality, listen to the farmers' demands and ensure that justice is delivered and to save the precious life of Dalewalji. In order to cover this very serious farmer protest, the BJP government raking up the false issue of Chak Joras, which we are not afraid of. It's very sad that Adani is protected by this government but farmers are not. Thank you.
You can't mention the name. I think so it will be deleted. Siri Richard ji.
Sir, why will we delete all the time?
A person who is not present in the house,
Sir, why?
he has no opportunity. No. He is giving. No. I think so. Now you have this. Siri Richard ji.
Thank you, sir.
Siri Richard.
Respected sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Kindly take seat. Gaurav,
We all know.
you are a deputy leader.
Hello.
You are a deputy leader. Kindly take seat.
Yes, we all know about the communal violence in Manipur, which have been for the last 1.5 years.
Now, deputy leader, either you should stand, either
more than 200 people have lost their life. More than 50,000 people whose houses are being destroyed, and even more than 300.
Why everybody is standing? If you have,
more than 300 churches are being spoiled. If the central government deployed more than 1 lakh paramilitary force, this will not be a correct solution. My state being the neighboring state of Manipur. We have numbers of internally displaced, internationally
he's
from
already expressing
Bangladesh
his
and Myanmar,
I will allow
and
you.
domestically from
I will allow
Manipur.
you.
They are all our brothers and sisters. Population of Mizoram, as you know, is only 12 lakhs. Budget and resources are very limited. Knowing that the central government has given us a huge amount of fund to rehabilitate my sisters and brothers from Manipur, I would like to thank the central government wholeheartedly for the kindness of the displaced people. My request, suggestion to the central government is to act as a facilitator upon the two community leaders under the chairmanship of the central government. Let them sit in one table, discuss, negotiate many things they can talk about. PR, change of leadership, separate administration, ceasefire, compensation to the families whose loved ones are dead, compensation to the wounded persons, and many, many more other things. It is not if we do not stop this, we don't know how many more lives will be lost. God made life so precious. Why unnecessarily just taking the lives of others? We should find a measure to stop all this. Thank you.
Srimati Krishna Devi. अच्छा किसी को नहीं just wait, so just sit. All of you, I think so.
Sir,
sit now.
Sir, Honorable Member Jyodhimani raised an issue. During that issue, she mentioned about a name, then you told that should be not in the records. Sir, yesterday what happened, sir? Yesterday in the 0 hour, when the 0 hour is happening, Honorable Union Minister Piyush Goyal, during the 0 hour, intervened and told all the same things about what they are telling for the last 2-3 days. Allegations, complete allegation against Congress party and the leaders of the Congress party. That way, minister during the 0 hour. 0 hour is the members' prerogative.
I got it.
You know that 0 hour is the members' prerogative.
Now
What is the that is all in the record. My only one question, sir. You done it. You already deleted what Jyodhimani told. Is it applicable only for opposition, sir? Is it not applicable for them, sir?
I got it.
Sir, whenever Union Minister during the 0 hour intervening, you are not deleting, sir. Whatever chair is not deleting.
I got
sir,
it.
This double standard is not so please not good.
Thank you. KC Venugopal ji has raised some issue regarding your own member. I think so. You are a senior most also, and this is the traditions also and rulings by speaker also. And if we'll go through the rules and regulations, so I think so a member who is not present in this house, just if I'm giving you, मैं आपको